Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the angle of minimum deviation. So, aim of this particular experiment is to find or to determine the angle of minimum deviation for a given prism by plotting the graph between angle of incident and angle of deviation. So, what is the needed for this? A drawing board and a sheet of paper and pins and a prism. So, this is the prism and protractor, scale and a pencil, and we need the few ball point pins. So, these are the pins. Now, just keep the sheet on a drawing board and pin these edges. Then draw one line almost at the center. Then keep this prism in this way. Just keep this prism in this way. Now, draw the edges of this prism like this. And just to remove this, you can see the prism. Let us mention the side as what A. So, this side is B and we have a C. And mark anywhere, so BC on BC one point. So, this is the base of the prism. Okay. So, now which is the base of the prism? The base may be this side. Okay. So, this is the base of that prism. Here is the base. Mention the base like this. Now, mark a one point on this, on the surface BC. Then take a scale, just to draw a 90-degree line. Okay. Then keep the protractor. Measure almost 30 from this point where there is a 90, 10, 20, 30 and 35, 40. Let us go for 35 here, 35 degrees. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 35. Now, this is termed as an angle of incidence. So, this is called angle of incidence. This is 35 degrees. So, the ray which comes like this, okay, this is called incident ray. Then take two pins, okay, these are the two pins, and keep one pin here. So, it should be stand like this, and another pin almost 1 centimeter away from that. Okay, it should be straight. Then replace a prism. Okay, replace the prism like this. Then this is termed as an incident ray, and where we will get the refracted ray. So, refracted right inside, and this is termed as an what? Emergent light. So, just you observe from here this side, then take two pins in your hand and place the 2 pins along its water, the straight line. So, the one pin is here, what I am saying. So, at this point, okay, I will take another pin just by observing the just here, okay. Then another pin, okay, just I will keep here on the straight line. So, like this. Then I remove the prism, and here there are 2 points are there, okay. Remove this point and mark this point. This is the point, and remove this pin and mark this. Now, just a straight line passing through these points, just draw lines and continue in this. Then produce the incident ray, produce the water, the incident ray straight, okay, in this manner, okay. Now, from here to here, okay, just you remove this. So, this is termed as an what? Refracted ray, and this one is termed as an emergent ray, okay. Now, where we will get the angle of deviation, this point is there, no, this is termed as an what here, the angle of deviation. I want to measure this angle, and then I will call it as an what, delta. So, let us measure this angle, okay. So, take a protractor and just keep lines, okay. Keep in this way. Then what you will get, so this is 10, 20, 30, and then you will get 10. So, just I will keep like this, okay. So, 10, 20, 30, almost 40 degrees it will. So, therefore, make a one tabular column, and here is in serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is an angle of incidence. First you measure for 35 degrees, next for 40 degrees, 45 degrees, 50 degree, 55 degree, 60 degree, etc. like this. For 35 degrees, so what we get is a 40 degree is the deviation, okay. It is termed as a what? Angle of deviation. Now, continue this particular experiment for second trial. Let us take the 40 degrees, okay. So, what we will get? You will get these type of the diagrams, okay. Just I will show you. For 35 degrees, you will get a 40. For 40 degree, 38. 45 degree, it is 36. For 50 degree, it is 39. 55 degree, 41. 60 degree and goes on, 42 and etc. Let us write all these things in a tabular column. For 35 degree, it is 40. For 40 degree, it is 38, this is 36 degrees, and for 50 degree it is 40 or 39, for 55 degree it is 42, and for 60 and etc. So, you will get more than 45 degrees. Okay. Now, the plot the graph between what and what? Angle of incident and also angle of deviation. So, here is the graph. Angle of incident is taken on x axis and angle of deviation is taken on the what? The y axis. If it is 35 degrees, you will get a 40 or 44 like this. It is just a graph, okay, for different values. For 40 degree, it is 39, and for 45 degrees, it is 36, and for 50, you will get to 38 degrees. 55, it is goes up for these values. Okay. Now, what is the conclusion? What is the minimum angle of deviation here? The minimum angle of deviation is here. So, it is almost equal to what here? 36 degrees. So, therefore, the delta minimum, so minimum angle of what is that? Deviation is equal to what here? 36 degrees. So, this is how we can determine the angle of minimum deviation for a given prism. So, thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.